Yes, sir. You already know it's your boy B Hayes. We back with another one, guys. If you can't take the pain, you don't deserve the gains, guys. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. AMC, we trading at $39.70 at the time of this recording, guys. Down over 2%. So in our previous videos, you know, today we expected to have that continuation from that momentum that we've been getting, and the end of the day above that $43 support area, guys, with resistance, not support. We want to break through 43 resistance and treat it as a new form of support, guys. That's what we wanted to see today. But we got a little interactions, a little blockage, a little barricades in the way of us getting this momentum that can go ahead and continue, guys. We got, you know, false FUD coming out, fear, uncertainty, and doubt, guys. We already know how that get. Whenever articles start coming out, they start trying to persuade you and say these things and make it feel as if people as the community is getting weak, guys. And in my opinion, I believe they is getting weak, and they just trying to, you know, make it seem as if we are. And they the ones that's really is. You get what I'm saying, guys? Reverse psychology. Stay ahead of the game now. So let's go ahead and check this out. Why would we even feel like this? After what just happened on Monday and Tuesday, like, we in a good momentum right now. You could have came out with this when we was trading in the low 33s right at that time, that specific time. That might have would have struck a nerve and brought us down even lower if this would have came out. And you never know, though. Nobody know how the markets tend to react. So this right here could possibly send us in a negative reaction. I don't know. But what I do know is I believe AMC is standing strong, and we have a solid community behind it, and people is not just going to give in just like that. So let's go ahead and take a look at this. AMC stock falls after another analyst turns bearish, saying retail investors will eventually cash out and move on. So they're trying to say we getting bored out, and that we will eventually cash out and move on eventually. And that's, like I've been telling y'all, it's a tug of war. Who gonna sink in first? Who gonna cave in first? Retail investors or the hedges or the shorts? Who gonna do it first? You get what I'm saying? And they actually do believe, that's why they call us dumb money. They believe they is way smarter than us, and we will, you know, give in first. But I don't think so, guys. Let's go ahead and check out this as well. AMC stock dropped to underperform at Weed Bush, which expects retail crowd to cash out. So you see all these articles coming out. They say we downgrade shares of AMC to underperform on our assumption that ultimately the majority of retail ownership will eventually cash out and move on. Analyst Alicia Reese writes in a note, guys. So we obviously know the games they are playing here, trying to put, you know, FUD out into the air. But guys, we already know AMC is like no other. It's a beast. It's a monster. And it's just waiting to be unleashed, guys. So I do believe that buying pressure still should come in today, and we should end the day green. But getting over that $43 barrier, this could possibly, you know, put a hurdle in our way from getting there on today, just because of the news that come out. And like I say, guys, news don't really dictate for the squeeze to happen. But like we say, we know some outstanding news could trigger the squeeze to happen. And we also know the buying pressure outweighing the selling pressure over time can trigger the squeeze as well. And we also know that news, the news, a lot of people didn't think the news really moving AMC because it's not a fundamental stock. But positive catalyst, positive news can give AMC that momentum in the upward direction. And bad news and negative news can do the same thing in the, you know, a negative way. Bring you down a few bucks, however the case may be. So you already know, guys, always, you know, take what I said with a grain of salt. Always be sure to do your own research and due diligence. This your boy B Hayes. Follow me over on Instagram. Don't forget, you know, join the family, hit that subscribe button, ring the notification bell so you can get alerted for every video. Get your free stock down below. I love y'all. We out, and God bless you.